Guangzhou Carform Electronized Technology Company Limited was established in 2009. We always take the principle of all for worldwide safe and wonderful driving life. We work with our customers not only on products, but also more importantly on technology and services. We can provide you with the most professional service in new product development, OEM, ODM custom, delivery quality, and customers market protection, as well as business secret protection in order for you to capture the market and outperform your competitors. We have confidence in solving your current supply issues, whether you're currently a big or small customer in the country and market where you're selling. We supply car headlights, LED working light by LED projector lens, and matrix projector lens. There are more than 200 private mold since we have excellent R&D team, hardware and software engineers. Any OEM ODM request that includes simple custom can be achieved. We always resolute not to use recycled materials. About after sales, we always respond in the first time and reach agreement by customer's deadline. Our commitment to quality is evidenced by our CE and ROSE certifications along with the EMC inspection report reflecting our adherence to industry standards and excellence. Learn more about us, please contact us now or follow us in our live studio to view more and get updates. Looking forward to cooperating with you and create a bright future together. Welcome to visit us.